should I start this off? Hello there.
I'm assuming you have trouble with being awkward. And I guess I have a couple of tips I can share with you. So what I've learned by being a human for 18 years is that a lot of your actions are controlled by the thoughts that you have in your head. You might not think it's true, but you are literally thinking as you're doing literally everything. You're either taking in information or putting it out. And that's why it's really hard for people to express themselves sometimes, because they have so much going on in their heads, they don't really know how to push it out in a neat and clean way. This causes awkwardness. So if I had to tell you one thing to just make it all go away, or to really help you, I would say just think what you want to happen. Like, for example, if you're giving a big speech, think about what you want to come of the speech. I want everyone to understand this point. I want everyone to think that I know what I'm talking about. I want everyone to know that I care. Whatever it is, don't just think about what you want, but once you have what you want, think about this is happening. Think about I am doing this. I am showing people that I care. I am showing people that I know what I'm talking about. I am showing people that, whatever it is that you want to achieve. And the more that you tell yourself this in your head as you're doing the action, you're going to start thinking positively. And when you think positively, you flow easier. You flow better because you eliminate nervousness and you eliminate anxiety and you eliminate all the extra factors that could cause you to stutter, that could cause you to feel like, I don't know, you don't know what you're talking about, or you don't know what you're doing or saying, or whatever the case may be. So if I had to leave with one thing, I would say think positive thoughts. And not just positive thoughts, but think what you want to come out of this. I guess I could give you an example. Let's say that you're trying to make a new friend, but you don't even know the first thing to tell them. They're new, so you can tell them literally anything about yourself, right? Well, pick one thing that you want to come out of this. Maybe you want the person to think that you're kind, or that you're funny, or that you're smart. You have to become that by owning it. And the first way to own it is to tell yourself that's what you're doing in your head. So if you tell yourself, this person is going to tell that I'm kind, right? It may come off a little cocky in your head, but as long as you don't conflict yourself by saying, no they're not, yes they are, no they're not, yes they are, then you're gonna be just fine. Just own it, believe it, go with it, and chances are you're going to feel a lot better out of the situation. Also, pause, take a moment to let your brain take in the information before you try and put information out. Now, there's a lot more tips where this can come from, and obviously this one tip is not going to help you just become magically not awkward, but if you want to know more tips, watch this video right here. Anyway, thanks for watching.